Alright, so we've got another show you know here. Which is smaller, negative 7 over 10 or negative 3 over 5? So, for me, I think the fastest is going to be comparing using equivalent fractions. We have negative 7 over 10 and negative 3 over 5. We can multiply top and bottom by 2. And if we do that, 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10, and it is negative as well. So now we're comparing negative 7 over 10 and negative 6 over 10. These are negative numbers, so they're to the left of 0. And let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can say that this is negative 6 over 10 here, and then this is negative 7 over 10 here. So the smaller number is always to the left on your number line, which means that negative 7 over 10 is your smaller number. Alternatively, if you decided to use decimals, negative 7 over 10 is the same as negative 0.7. 3 divided by 5 will give you 0.6, and it is also negative. So if you want to look at it that way, you've got negative 0.6 right there and negative 0.7 there. So this is still smaller, which was negative 7 over 10. So which is greater? Part B, negative 0.25 or 0.0001. This question is very easy. One number is negative, one number is positive. So the greater one is going to be the positive one. 0.0001 is positive. Negative 0.25 is negative. Therefore, 0.0001 is greater. Even though it's a really tiny decimal number, it's above 0. And even if it's tough to graph because it's such a small point, it's above 0. This one is below 0.